Hey guys, Anthony here. I hope you're happy to see me again for another video. Today we will talk about retro computer. As you can see, the white box. What we need to do with this is to remake an installation and upgrade some part of hardware. For a friend, they want to have a retro gaming computer. Let's see the computer. Just before turning on the computer, we will check quickly the specs. As you can see, first, that's an IBM computer. Okay, focus. That's an IBM computer with the series, the 300GL series. That's a personal computer, 300GL. There are lots of computers on the 300GL series, of course, but this one is from 1999, I think. It came with a Pentium 3. That's not a Pentium 3 with a socket 370. That's a slot one, and it came with Windows 98. So this model is a little more modern than the first ones. For who they want to see, the model number is here. That's the 6574 number models, and for that's the configuration of this computer. So for 7G. I didn't know for what it corresponds. For curious, you can search on the website. You will find without any problems. I know this computer is I know this computer has Windows 2000 installed, but I didn't know anything else. Before formatting the hard disk drive and reinstall completely Windows, I want to check what he have on the hard disk drive. Just before, I want to see something, if inside it was clean or not. Maybe it was completely dirty. We will see. Yeah. At the first view, make the torch. Oh. Surprisingly, it's pretty clean. It seems to be clean. Yeah. Just a really little dust in there. Even the cable management is not so bad for a very small computer. Everything was just applied here. Yeah, no dust on the graphics card. Same thing of the network card. I think it's network card. Yes, that's a network card. Amazingly, it's pretty clean. Yeah. There was a screw just here. Oh, they were completely not in line. I don't know why. So yeah, I will not clean it up. That's not. I don't need to do that. Okay, why not? So I will turn it on like this. So here we go. The hard disk drive makes noise, but this is normal. Is booting. I've got the memory random access memory error. What you want here? Maybe 128 megs of RAMs, but I've got an error. I don't know if it's an error. Maybe it was bad, or that's not the deal for configuration. That's something special. Okay, I will see if it boots or not. If it didn't, I need to check something. I have absolutely no idea what we will find on that computer. I don't know for what it was used before. I just know there were a Windows 2000 install. That's the only thing I know. Again, everything is in French. I'm a French guy, I repeat, if you see my first video. Even for Pentium 3, it's not booting so fast, the Windows 2000. I will hope again there is no password to have an access on the desktop. I hope. But I will come back later. That's a little too long and you don't want to see Windows 2000 then loading especially, so yeah, I will back just in 1 or 2 minutes. We are finally at the desktop after just 2 minutes, so that's maybe a little lot for even for a Pentium 3 for Windows 2000. Maybe it had lots of programs or documents in there. We will see. The clock is correct. The date too. We are at the correct date. April 2006, 22. Oh yeah, that's the correct date. Why not? So the CMOS battery is still good. Great. I didn't know what we will find here, and I didn't even know when the last time he booting up. So we'll check. There were some things, some document here. I don't know for what. For Gen Util Government Killer. Bon. So we have DOSBox here. Yeah. Festo Fluid Sim. That's another program, and Diamond. Oh yeah, they have Diamond Tool too, and Firefox. So they use it maybe sometimes to go to internet. Maybe they mount ISO. I didn't know why. We will see what. For at the moment, that's probably. And the end, maybe that's the. Ok, what I do? Qu'est-ce que je veux dire, putain? They want to use ISO on the end, and Festo Fluid Sim, if I'm not sure, but it's an electronic simulator program. Yeah, that's right. I have absolutely no idea how to use it. There were some project. If I click open, oh, there are some Amazon then in there. What I can take? Well, completely as there is Mario. Mario. I have no idea what I do with this program, so if somebody knows, he will say you do absolutely bad things in there. What is that? Maybe I will click run the simulator. C program Flame open connections. Okay. Start simulation anyway. Yes. They make some beeps. Yeah. Okay, if I understand, that's look like a piston. Completely on the left or completely on the right. Okay. I have no idea what I do, really. Why not? Okay. And there are lots of other things I can put in there. Yeah. And there are really lots of ones. Yeah, there are almost 40 combination. I didn't record correctly. I'm alone for that time. Yeah. Okay, so that's probably a computer using for electronic simulator before doing a circuit. Yep. There were Microsoft Office installed. I don't know which one. Oh, so we will start Word. That's Office 2000. An old one. And that's normal with Windows 2000. Install Office 2000. That's at the same date. That's normal. Oh, these things. I remember. That's really old. I was a kid when I see it the last time. Animate. Hey, doing something. Yeah. So it works, yeah. Yeah. A classic ones. Maybe a collector. If you have a Windows 2000 Office on your collection, that could be great, really. Of course, they are not important if you see an Office, 2013 or 2016. It's completely different. And there are some docs in there. Okay. I hope that's not important to show you. No, there's just a screenshot on there. Yeah. Okay. What else? So Microsoft. Yeah. No, I don't want. I see there is no sound in there. I've read absolutely nothing. Something else? I see code blocks vid. They install this programs probably. WinZip self extractor, so to open rare and zip files. Firefox, I see that's the old version of Firefox. Demarrage, Microsoft Office, and accessories. Yeah, accessories, that's all basic things. Some have played the Demeanor and the pinballs. That's all pinballs I know. The Space Cadet? Or not? Ah, yeah, that's the Space Cadet. Almost never play this one. Okay guys, we will have a really nice cut in there, absolutely amazing. I didn't have enough space on my phone to record this video, so yeah, why not? I will not talking too much, so just check some last things. So as you can see, this is up to date. That's a Service Pack 4 installed. But there is something I want to know, if that's when they use this computer for the last time. We've got here, of course, if we see, I see 2015 in there, 2016. Right, 2016 is probably me. Okay, so that's not possible. No, not here. We'll maybe have an information. Oh, that's maybe possible. Modify in 2015. No, that's not possible. Admin, my documents. Maybe here I will have information. I've got things from 2011 and 2014. They use it on this computer until 2014. Oh sh! I really can't believe they used this computer until 2014. Oh, that's really amazing. 4 years after the end of support of Windows 2000. Oh lol. I can't say anything about that. I hope they disconnected from the internet in 2010 just to be sure there is no virus in there. It seems to work clean, so I have no care. I didn't show you what there is on this machine, so met the torch. Maybe it's time. I will restart the computer, but just before restarting, I've tried something that's probably the best shutdown timer I've never seen. So you ready? Here we go. Just amazing. I didn't know why our Windows nowadays didn't do that. Really, I didn't understand at all. So we will check the spec in this machine. You know, just there already 128 megs of RAMs. So the information of this product, so we've already said the model is the 6574. 65, I said really. Uh, the BIOS was dated from 2000, though, so it was updated because the machine is from 1999. For the specs, we've got a Pentium 3 at 533 megahertz, 120 megs of RAMs. That's a no ECC models. For the graphics card, we have a S3 7H4. So that's not an NVIDIA or an ATI, that's a S3. That could be enough for that computer. We've got the hard disk drive, 13.5 gigs. Oh, that's not bad. I'm not sure that's the original one. I will see after. And a CD-ROM. Yeah, that's a CD-ROM. That's not a DVD-ROM. So we've done a little tower with Windows 2000. I will reinstall it now properly. And oh, just before I will completely forget, I need to make the upgrades of the parts. We've got here, I will show you. Yeah, not really good what I've done here. So we've got here the graphics card. That's a GeForce 2 MX. It's just write it in there. Yeah, that's not, of course, the best graphics card you can find on 2000. Sorry, but it could be enough for some games. And we've got here 2 stick of RAMs. That's the SD RAMs, 256 megs. So I will have 512 and half and a gigs. I'm pretty sure the computer is well working great. And what I will do with it, I'm thinking I will install Windows 2000. Yeah, I will not install Windows 98. I didn't see a sticker somewhere. No. Yeah, so I will install Windows 2000 properly, and I will come back after. And I will make, of course, the upgrade. Okay guys, alone I cannot record the modification of the computer, so I need to stop the camera. You have here the original graphics card, so the S3 I didn't know when it was made, this one. It's not writing somewhere. Yeah, just here. Focus. Yeah, it's from the week 46, year 1999. So that's the original one. You have got here the 2 stickers. God, focus. Okay, so 2 stick of 64. And for the modification, I will just watch on the hard disk drive. This is the original one. So I didn't know if you can see it. Focus on there. It was written just over there. That's the 22 December of 1999. So the stickers are installed in there, and the graphics card, the GeForce 2 too. I hope everything works. We will see just now. Just let me put in the cover and turn it on. Okay, as you can see, the upgrade was detected just here. So I've got my half of gigs here and my NVIDIA installed. So now I will make the installation of Windows 2000. I will not show you the process of the installation, of course. It will be really too long, and maybe in the holiday I will buy a retro computer. So, and I will show you the installation at this case, but for old people's Windows 2000 installation, you know what is it. This is my really nice burnt disk of Windows 2000 Service Pack 4. That's a good way to try the CD-ROM drive, if it works or not. We will see. But just before, I need to go to the boot option, because this computer is too old to have a boot menu, so you can select a temporary device to boot up. It's put on the CD drive and after the hard disk drive, so that's already correctly configured. I will exit and save. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD-ROM. Yeah, so it seems to work great. For the holders, you will maybe remember this really nice blue screen of the Windows installation. That's something really old, and they use this installer interface until Windows XP. I'm pretty sure there are lots of people nowadays they cannot install Windows because they will be completely lost with an interface like this. I will come back when I've installed Windows and all the drivers, and after that I will maybe try a game, maybe one or two, just to see if it works correctly. Okay, so now I've just installed some of games. Whoops. Just to show you, I will make an example here with Unreal Tournament. There were other games already installed, or maybe Quake 3. Oh no, we see too much Unreal Tournament on retro gaming, so I will take a Quake 3 Arena just to see if it's working well. And in Quake 3 Arena, I remember I've got here the frame rate, so you can see if it's nice or if it's a little laggy. Of course, I didn't connect the sound, sorry for that. I will do it when I will make my retro build. Here it's just to test the system, so, and just to show you though, so it's not important here. Single player. I will make a really quick match, and even in easy I don't want to have something else. Quickly, yep, and yep. Just a quick match with 5 of frags limit. Without sound till... I don't like without sound to play, but just to show. Not a problem. Okay. Remember, it's a GeForce 2. Everything is at the maximum except for the color. It's not in 32-bit, it was at 16 bits. It's better here. That's a whole graphics card, it's not one to play, that's a MX. So MX, it's the low range, not the middle or the high range, so yeah. Okay, too quick. Again, quickly. Yeah. Okay, you see it's running great. I've already tested for bigger maps and it works, so that's great. A great retro computer. Not the best you can find in 2000, but a great one. I will be happy. So guys, we reached the end of this video. Leave a comment if you want. If you like this video or if you dislike it, whatever, do what you do. And I hope I will see you into another video later. Goodbye.